twilight hour, when the stars align, a deck of cards with mysteries and wine, symbols and signs in color so bold. Tarot cards tell tales of futures untold. In the tower's fall, and the stars guiding light, tarot speaks truth in the darkest night. For in each card, a lesson to learn in the dance of tarot.